I have really sparse and uneven, sad looking eyebrows, so I love this brow pomade set from Ardell. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use, what a huge difference it makes on these brows. This is the medium brown. It is a pomade in here, and it comes with this 2-in-1 brush. We've got the eyebrow brush and the applicator brush. I love it because it's literally a brush. It's very soft and gentle. I was using an eyebrow pencil and I felt like it was pulling out hairs. As I was trying to fill in the sparseness, it was like literally pulling out my hair. So I love how gentle this is. It lasts all day. You can like draw in the lines and then fill it in. You can brush up and shape it. Sometimes I feel like I go way too dark and I have like caterpillars on my eyebrows, that whole eyebrow blindness thing. So we're gonna go less is more. We can always go back in and do more. A subtle transformation. This is not one of those like pens that's gonna give you strokes and hair-like lines and stuff. This is literally just gonna fill in if you've got some like sparseness or baldness, just to like fill those brows in, put them back to the proper color. This is like a true medium brown. It's not reddish or anything artificial looking. I love this stuff. I love it, I love it, I love it. I don't know you will too.